Avoid common mistakes with location-related prepositional phrases. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial aspect of the English language: location-related prepositional phrases. Prepositions are such tiny words, but they can dramatically change the meaning of your sentences. However, they can be tricky, and it's easy to make mistakes. That's why we're going to focus on common errors and how to avoid them. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's quickly recap what location-related prepositional phrases are. These phrases describe where something is or happens. They usually consist of a preposition, like in, on, or at, followed by a noun or pronoun, which is known as the object of the preposition. Examples include in the park, on the table, or at school. These phrases help make our speech and writing precise and engaging. One common mistake is interchanging in, on, and at when talking about location. Remember, use in for an enclosed space or a space with limits. I am in the library. On refers to a surface. The book is on the table. At points to a more specific location. She is waiting at the bus stop. Mistake, saying, I am at the library, when you're inside the library. Correction, I am in the library. The order of words in a prepositional phrase is also important. The preposition usually comes before the object of the preposition. Mistake, the cat is under the table sleeping. Correction, the cat is sleeping under the table. In the mistake, sleeping appears to be part of the prepositional phrase, which it is not. In the correction, sleeping is correctly part of the main sentence, not the prepositional phrase. Sometimes, we use prepositions where they aren't needed. This usually happens because of direct translations from other languages. Mistake, we discussed about the project. Correction, we discussed the project. In English, we don't need about, after, discuss. Always double-check your phrases to make sure each word is necessary. Thank you for joining us in this journey through location-related prepositional phrases. Remember, these phrases are all about where something is happening, and using the correct preposition and word order can make your English clear and precise. Keep practicing, and soon, these common mistakes will be a thing of the past. See you in our next lesson.